In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do GoHighLevel phone system setup calling and texting. By the end, you'll have a working phone number inside your sub-account, connected for both calling and texting, and properly verified so you're set up for reliable communication. Start by opening your GoHighLevel sub-account dashboard. From there, head to Settings in the left-hand menu. Inside Settings, open the Phone System area. This is where you'll manage numbers, routing, and texting capabilities. Choose the option to add a number, then proceed to add a phone number. You'll see a search and selection screen where you can pick a number that fits your brand. Use filters like country, area code, or toll-free if you prefer a nationwide presence. Take a moment to choose something memorable and aligned with your audience. When you found the right number, click to proceed to buy. Confirm the purchase details and note that you can adjust routing rules and friendly names later. After purchasing, begin the verification process. This step is important for compliance and deliverability, especially for texting. Provide accurate business details, match your legal entity name and address, and describe your use case clearly. If your region requires messaging registration, this is where you'll set that in motion. Verification can take time depending on the carrier, so it's fine to complete the form and let it process in the background. Once you've started verification, go back to the phone system area. Next, move to the Twilio configuration inside your GoHighLevel settings. Open the Configure section. Here, you'll enter your Twilio credentials securely and reference the phone number you just purchased. Use your official account SID and Auth token, and always keep these credentials private. Paste them carefully to avoid typos, and ensure the country and messaging settings in Twilio align with how you plan to use the number. If this number will be your primary line, select it where prompted so it becomes the default for outbound calls and texts. When everything looks correct, submit your configuration to save and connect the services. That's it. You've added a number, completed the purchase, initiated verification, and linked it through Twilio so GoHighLevel can place calls and send texts on your behalf. If verification is still pending, calling may work immediately while texting enables once approval comes through. Just keep an eye on the status and any emails about compliance. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more.